There we are, poking around the fuse panel again, and I've had an epiphany, another one. Right, looking for, I've done some down there. Now on here, what I did notice just now, in fact, is that you could possibly see, if I get the light just right, these two here, fuse 44, 45, yeah? So the tags are actually numbered, but you can't see them till you get the fuses out. So that has now made my job 90% easier. Yeah. So I can whistle through this fuse panel now, and I'll possibly get it done within about the next hour. Excellent job, eh? Right, well, I'll get on with this. That was a quick video, wasn't it? A bit noisy in here today, as there's a school visit in. And by the looks of it, we've got two classes. And as usual, with kiddies of a certain age, they're a little bit raucous. But the teachers seem to have it under control. Yeah, so right, well, I'll clear off and I'll carry on with this now. So hope you're all having as good a day as I am today. This is a good start to the week, this. Okay, bye for now. From Inside Just Jane, on another positive day. Bye for now.